Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for all you gadget lovers out there. We're diving into the world of smart home technology. I'm gonna run through the top 7 smart gadgets you need in your home right now. Trust me, these will make your life so much easier and more fun. Let's jump right in. Ready? Here we go. Number 1. The Google Nest Hub. This bad boy is your personal assistant, entertainment hub, and smart home controller all rolled into one sleek package. It's like having a little helper that never sleeps. You can ask it anything, control your smart lights, and even watch YouTube videos while you cook. Imagine having all that functionality at your fingertips. It's basically the future sitting on your countertop. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other smart devices. Number 2. The Ring Video Doorbell. If you want to up your home security game, this is a must-have. It's like having a security guard at your front door 24/7. It lets you see, hear, and speak to anyone at your front door from your smartphone, no matter where you are. Whether you're at work or on vacation, you can always keep an eye on things. Plus, it has motion detection and sends you instant alerts. You'll know the moment someone steps onto your property. Talk about peace of mind. You can relax knowing your home is secure. Number 3. The Philips Hue Smart Bulbs. Now these aren't just any light bulbs. They're smart, customizable, and can transform the ambiance of any room. You can control their brightness and color with your voice or through an app. It's like having a lighting designer at your beck and call. Want a cozy, warm light for movie night? Or maybe a bright, energizing light to get you through that late-night work session? You can set the perfect mood for any occasion. Philips Hue's got you covered. It's all about creating the perfect atmosphere. Number 4. The iRobot Roomba. Imagine never having to vacuum again. This little robot takes care of it all for you. This little robot does all the work for you, navigating around your furniture and even going back to its dock to recharge. It's like having your own personal cleaning crew, minus the awkward small talk. You can sit back and relax while it does the dirty work. Number 5. The Amazon Echo Show. Think of it as Alexa with a screen. It's like having a smart assistant that can show you things. You can make video calls, watch recipes, check weather updates, and even monitor your security cameras. All hands-free. It's perfect for multitasking. It's like having a mini command center right in your kitchen. Everything you need is just a voice command away. Number 6. The Smart Thermostat. This gadget learns your schedule and automatically adjusts the temperature to save energy and keep you comfortable. It's like having a personal climate control expert. Plus, you can control it from your phone, so your home is always the perfect temp when you walk in. No more coming home to a freezing or sweltering house. And finally, number 7, the August Smart Lock. Say goodbye to fumbling for your keys. This smart lock makes entering your home effortless. This smart lock lets you lock and unlock your door with your phone, and you can even give access to guests or service workers remotely. It's perfect for when you're not home, but need to let someone in. It's all about convenience and security in one neat package. No more worrying about lost keys or unauthorized access. So, there you have it, folks. 7 smart gadgets that will change the way you live in your home. These devices are designed to make your life easier, more secure, and a lot more fun. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome gadget reviews. Your support means the world to us. Catch you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.